In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of a Nintendo Switch account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As of today, you have the option to sign out of an user account on your Nintendo Switch. All you have to do to properly sign out of any users registered your Nintendo Switch is go over to the System Settings. In the System Settings, to the left-sided menu, you should be able to find the user category. When you select the proper user, you will be able to scroll down until you find the Unlink User option or Delete User. After you follow to the steps shown on screen, you will be able to unlink the user. Besides this method, the only other thing you can do is sign out using the Nintendo website. In there, you will have the option to sign out of all devices within the accounts.nintendo.com page. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of a Nintendo Switch account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.